Hey everyone, today we're talking about one of the most requested features in Draw.io, and that feature is dark mode. I'm going to show you how to flip the switch and how it actually helps your workflow and a few pro tips for when exporting your work. Let's dive in. First off, why use dark mode? Beyond just looking sleek and professional, it's actually pretty easy on the eyes. It reduces eye strain during those long sessions, can save battery on your laptop, and honestly, just makes your colors pop in a totally different way. Switching to dark mode is simple. In the top menu, head to Extras, then go to Appearance. Here you'll have three choices. Light, which is the classic look that we all know. Your second option is dark, which is a low light interface perfect for night owls. And the last one, which is my favorite, automatic. This basically mirrors your operating system settings. So if your computer goes dark mode at sunset, Draw.io follows suit. We also have high contrast mode, which is available in light and dark mode, and it maximizes the color difference between the interface and background, making the text and icons easier to read for improved accessibility. One thing you probably didn't know is if you have your editor set to dark mode, when you export your diagrams, you also have an option to export it in dark mode. Adjusting your diagram editor view to light or dark only affects your editor view. This means if you have your editor set to dark mode and you share a diagram with someone who is in light mode, they will view the diagram in light mode. So it's always best to preview your diagram in light and dark mode to double check how it looks in both. And that's it. Dark mode in Draw.io is super simple and a total game changer for you and your productivity. If you want to read a full deep dive, I've linked the original article from Draw.io in the description below. If this video helped, make sure you leave a comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, happy diagramming.